Yeah. So guys, let us go ahead with the simplification topic. So in this simplification, they'll give big equations for us. We need to simplify and we have to find what is the value of that entire equation. Let's go ahead with the questions directly, my dear friends. See the first question related to simplification. Simplification is a different type of uh, questions we are going to discuss. We'll give update along with the questions of discussing initially. We'll go with the question, understand how to solve that directly. See the first question, my dear friends. Here they given 1 by 3 into 5. Here 1 by 5 into 7. Here 7 into 9. Denominator 9 into 11. And yeah, 11 into 13. Then 13 into 15, my dear friends. When you simplify this, what is the result? If you went through that previous YouTube sessions, okay, I think some of you might get the logic by this time. Yeah, what is the answer, my dear friends? I'm just checking your responses. You have chart box as well. You can respond with your answers in the chart box as well. You can see the chart box. What is the answer for this one? You have options also, A, B, C, D. Kindly solve and post your answers, my dear friends. One by 3 into 5. 5 into 7, 7 into 9, 9 into 11, 11 into 13, 13 into 15. This is all in the denominator. See, my dear friends, this is a first type of question where difference in the denominator is common. Difference, if you observe for the given terms in the denominator, is common. Now, what you can do, you can write this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. The difference is 2, right? The 2 you can put it out, 1 by 2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. See, if you take this 5 minus 3, 2, 2 divided by 3 into 5, 2 will get cancelled. You'll get same equation again. You can write this 1 by 3 into 5 as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Similarly, second one as 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Next one, so on up to last 1 by 2 into 1 by 13 minus 1 by 15. So guys, you can take 1 by 2 common. Okay. What will be there inside? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7, like that. 1 by 13 minus 1 by 15. Okay. Now here, if you just simplify this one, my dear friends, what do you got the answer? Guys, have rough paper, work on it. All this will get cancelled. We'll get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 15. 15 minus 3 will get 12 divided by, or else okay, we can take LCM as 15. 5 minus 1 will get 4. 4 divided by 15 will get. We left with only 1 by 3, 1 by 15. Okay, difference is 15. Yeah, take LCM as 15. 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1 will get 4. 4 divided by 15. It's nothing but 2 divided by 15, my dear friends. Option D. Option D. So guys, is there any issue? Is everything audible? Can you mention that in the chat box? I didn't get any response in the chat box till now. That's what the worry for us. Yeah, fine. Okay, it's audible and everything fine. Good. Fine, no issues. Yeah. Let's see the next question, my dear friend. This is the first question, first model or first type of question where difference between the denominators is common. Here two difference, here two difference, two difference, two difference. Now we can put this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, like that. Now say the second question, waiting for your answers, my dear friends. This question is 1 by 1 into 4, here 4 into 7, 7 into 10, 10 into 13, 13 into 16. Now, is it similar to previous question or not? Is it similar to previous question or not? Somebody yet to join. Let's just give permission for that. Fine, let's see about this one. So guys, what's your answer? Difference is 3 common. Difference is 3. Now what we can do? 1 by 3 into first term 1, last term 1 by 16 only will be left over. 1 by 1, 1 minus 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7 like that. First term and last term only will be left over. Remaining all will cancel. That's what, okay, while doing more and more questions, you need to simplify. See, this is the first term 1 by 3, last term 1 by 30, 1 by 15, last term. Only those two are left over at the end. Right, so we'll get 1 by 3 into 15 divided by 16, my dear friends, which is nothing but 5 by 16. See this? 5 by 16. Right. Excellent. Few of you people. 581, 5E8, good. 523, good. Your answers are correct. Excellent, my dear friends. See the next question. Yeah. Now here, previous questions advantage is you have denominator 1 into 4, 4 into 7 like that. Here 3 into 5, they split the numbers as a product of 2. Denominator they split it as 2 numbers product. Here also 2 numbers product. But see the third question, here they given 1 by 30, 1 by 42, 1 by 56, 72, 90 and 110, my dear friends. So now what do we have to do? See this, we can write denominator as 2 numbers product. See, 30 can be written as 5 into 6, 42 as 6 into 7. Here these two should be, see the term before, here 4 and 4, here 7 and 7, same connection is there. Ending here is the starting for the next one. That connection also required to apply the shortcut. 56 as 7 into 8, 72 as 8 into 9, 90 as 9 into 10, 110 as 10 into 11. Now common difference is there. Yeah, difference is what? 5 and 6, 1, here 1, here 1. Difference is 1 in the denominator values. Okay, now what you can write this as 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Next one, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7. So on, 1 by 10 minus 1 by 11. Now finally what left over? First number and last one will be left over. Hope you got 6 by 55, my dear friends. Option D. 6 divided by 55. 581, excellent, my dear friend. And 523. Sai Krishna and Aditya, superb. Okay, 6 divided by 55 is the correct answer, my dear friends. 6 divided by 55. See, denominator you are splitting. 1 by 30, 1 by 42, 1 by 56 is given. We are splitting as 2 numbers product so that we will get this simplification. First term and last term only left out. This is what that simplification, my dear friends. Right. See the next question. Now, what do you have to get? Everyone try. Up to n into n plus 1 they given. Yes, I'll wait for your answers, my dear friends. Yeah, respond with your answers. I'm checking your chat box. Yeah. Still waiting for remaining people to answer. So guys, here many of you given the option D. Is it for previous question or this question? Mention the question number kindly so that we can understand whether you're responding for the previous question or current question. Right. For this question, mention the question number along with the answer. Is it option A or B or C or D? Respond with your answers, my dear friends, with question number as well. Mention the question number. Nitin, Venkata, Pranit, Aditya, Chinta, Sai Krishna, is this answer for the previous one or this question? If this is the question, you mention the question number as well. Okay, Sai Krishna responded, Aditya responded. Remaining. Sultana, good, Srinivasan, Praveen, and many people added. Good. So guys, if you just go ahead with this question, yes, your answer option D, right? So sir, this is 1 by 1 into 2. This is 2 into 3, 3 into 4. They given anyhow here n into n plus 1. So first term is 1, last term n plus 1. Only this will be left over. This is n divided by n plus 1. Right? N divided by n plus 1, my dear friends. If difference is 2, for example, that 2 will come in the denominator 1 by 2 like that. If difference is 3 in the denominator here, difference is 1. If difference is 2 in the denominator product, okay, that 1 by 2 will come. 3 means 1 by 3 will come. First term, last term, okay, but other than that, this difference is also playing role. Right. See the next question with small update, my dear friends. Let me see how many of you can crack this question. There is an update. Wantedly, I given a question where it will check how good you people are understanding. See the options. Don't say there is a mistake in the question. Question is correct only. Question is correct. Kindly work on it and let me know what is the answer, my dear friends. You work on this, mention the question number and your answer. I'm just checking your answers, my dear friends. Purna, question number is here, 5, 6 like that. Okay, mention the question number. Okay, better 593. It's a simple, okay, instead of mentioning that big sentence, 5D, 5B like that, you can mention simple, right? Question number, is it A or B or C for that? Or D, which option you are opting? Okay, good. Remaining. Guys, respond with your answers. No one solved it. Sultana giving one answer. Okay. Sultana, check once. Sultana given one answer and Alekia given answer. Aditya. Aditya and Pranit. Your answers are correct. Sultana now modified good. Yeah, now it's correct, my dear friends. Praveen, good. Murial Raj, good. Option A, my dear friends, perfect. Yes, option A is correct, not C. A is correct. Guys, put this 1 by 9 ahead. Now this one, if you focus, this is 1 by 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, so on. 72 is 8 into 9. Right. Difference is one that's there in the numerator. Now see what you can put this as first term minus last term. This last term and this one will get cancelled. It's 1 by 2. See the update, my dear friends. Don't expect always every number is product of two numbers and the same format. Wantedly we'll give some numbers like this to disturb your logic. So make sure while framing the question or while solving the question, yeah, this part you work on. This one you ignore initially, we can work on it later, right? So we got 1 by 2, my dear friends. Got it? Fifth question. Yeah, excellent. Santosh, Pranita, Abhinav, Alekia, good. Excellent, my dear friends. Option A. See the next question. Now see small update in this question as well. Those who went through the speed mass video session in YouTube, whatever the link was shared for you guys, we are sharing some links. Whenever time permits, go through that. Now we have a bit luxury time. Okay, there is no moving from here to college, home to college, and all. There is a time we can save and spend those time to learn some tricks, my dear friends, and update with the topics. I shared you a lot of links till now. You, whenever time permits, kindly go through that. Now here, this question, if you just recall, we discussed in our YouTube session, live session. Now let me see how many of you can respond for this. No one yet, meaning you not went through the video full. Yeah, remaining, please respond. This is what? 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square, 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square, 7 divided by 3 square into 4 square, 90 divided by 9 square into 10 square. Yeah, my dear friends. Sixth question, answer. Waiting for your answers, my dear friends. Yes, think about this question. Are they giving some answer? Okay, remaining. Guys, you are a premier batch or maybe premium branch students. You must and should. Okay, think about work on it. Okay, simplification all required. Okay, to do perfect codings going forward, you should work on it, my dear friends. Manoj. Okay, fine. See, guys, the logic here, if you just observe, the difference between numbers is there in the numerator. Denominator, 1 and 4 difference is 3. 4 and 9 difference is 5. Here, 9 and 16 difference is 7. 81 and 90 difference is 90. Now what will happen? See, I can write this as directly 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. This one I can write directly as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. Why, sir? See, 9 minus 4, 5, numerator, denominator 4 into 9, 2 square into 3 square directly. And so on, 1 by 9 square minus 1 by 10 square. Difference between those two numbers is 100 minus 81 is 19. Denominator 9 square into 10 square. Now here, if you observe, my dear friends, every term got cancelled except first and last. Right. So this is 99 divided by 100, my dear friends. 99 divided by 100. See this question. Okay. 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square, 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square, 7 divided by 3 square into 4 square, so on. 90 divided by 9 square into 10 square. Here this is what difference, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 81. Got it? Excellent, my dear friends. See the next question. Now I think it's a bit easy for you to answer this question. Expecting everyone to respond with your answers for this one. Yes, work on this question, my dear friends. Sum of the first to 20 terms. They didn't give an up to last. You should find what is the last term. So this is 1 by 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, so on, up to 20 terms. What is the last term? If you know, then you can decide the answer. 1 by 5 minus 1 by so on. But you should know the last term products. 20 terms. Yes. Check it out. 20 terms, my dear friend. See, what we can do, this question can also be written as 1 by n plus 4 into n plus 5, where n is from 1 to 20. N value lies from 1 to 20. See this. Here if n value 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Second term, n value 2, 6 and 7 will come. Now 20 terms means what should be the last term? It is in the format of n plus 4 into n plus 5. So what should be the last term? If n value 20, it's 24 into 25. 24 into 25. Some of your friends are waiting to join. Yeah. Seventh one, somebody given option here already. Yeah, fine. Now, first term minus last term, my dear friends. Here, if you take LCM, we get 25. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 divided by 25 is nothing but 0.16. Yes, 0.16. 25, 16 is 400. 16 times 400. As we have 4, yeah, we should divide by 100 here. So it's 0.16. 25 into 16 is 400. But you have 4 means we should divide by 100. 16 divided by 100 is 0.16. Right, so we get 0.16, my dear friends. 1 by 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, so on. 1 by n plus 4 into n plus 5. Right, good. See the next question. Now try to simplify this one, my dear friends. See this question now. What's the answer? Waiting for your answers, my dear friends. Easy one. Yes. You can respond in the chat box, my dear friends. Eighth question answer. Seventh question, many of you given the correct answer. 535, 512, 5A6, 581, 574, 593, 5C0, and 523. Good. But eighth question, Praneeth, Sai Krishna, Manoj, Bhavana, Aditya, Sai is, yes, many more added now. So guys, if you just see, this is very simple. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, if you just work on it, 4 by 5, so on, we'll get 24 divided by 25, my dear friends. Here all terms will cancel except this 2 and 25. It's option A, perfect. It's option A, my dear friends, perfect. Right, so if we solve this eighth question, we got 2 divided by 25, my dear friends. Seventh question 0.16, eighth question 2 divided by 25. Now see the next question. These are the different ways of asking the question simplification. Hope you understand this. Go to the next question, my dear friends. Now see, this is regarding you have to decide which is largest fraction. Among the fractions, we should decide which is the largest fraction. If you observe, you have 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8. Listen, my dear friends, here the difference between numerator and denominator is same. The difference between numerator and denominator is same. Okay. In these cases, when difference between numerator and denominator is same, which is largest and numerator is the largest fraction. Okay, this is we call like proper fraction. Proper fraction, for proper fractions, my dear friends, proper fraction in the sense numerator less than denominator. For proper fraction, numerator less than denominator, if difference between numerator and denominator is same, then largest numerator is decided the largest fraction. Okay, when you have to go with this, when there is a common difference between numerator and your denominator and numerator, difference is same. Denominator and numerator, it's not only one required. If two difference or three difference, common difference 3 or common difference 2 is exist between numerator and denominator is same, then largest numerator decides largest fraction, smallest numerator decides smallest fraction, which is smallest among that. Right. Sir, how can you say this? Let's work with the simple example. I know 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, for example. Let's work on this. And 4 by 5. 1 by 2, 0.5, you know, sorry. One by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 2 by 3 is 0.66. 3 by 4 is 0.75. 4 by 5 is 0.8. So guys, you can understand now in this example clearly. Okay. Difference is 1. Difference 2 also no problem. 1 by 3 like that, 2 by 4 you can put like that also. But see, difference is 1 commonly here. Okay, difference is same between numerator and denominator. All are proper fractions. Now here, yeah, you can see less in numerator is lesser value. Numerator bigger, that's the largest fraction. Agreed with this? Guys, are you agree with this point? We cannot convert them. Yeah, you can do a Amulya, but if bigger values are given. Amulya, this is a basic question. Our concern is regarding bigger value, my dear friends. Yes, as you mentioned right now, yeah, you are converting into decimal here. That's what Amulya. If it is smaller value, we can convert into decimal and we can work on it. But for bigger values, okay, doing that will be taking more time. That is why we are worrying about that one, my dear friends. Clear? Yeah, we can convert into decimal and we can work on it. But suppose if it is 77 by 78, 67 by 68, like the bigger numbers is there. Okay, it's not easy for us to do. So this logic is applicable for small values as well as big values. So hope you are okay for this conversion, this conclusion. Guys, this conclusion okay? Largest, this is for proper fraction. For improper fraction, this is reverse. For proper fraction, improper fraction means when numerator is more than denominator. For proper fraction, for largest numerator, when denominator and numerator common difference is there, then yes, largest numerator decides largest fraction, smallest numerator decides smallest fraction. Let's go to the next one, my dear friends. See this 10th question. 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 11 by 50. Now here, listen, when sir, proper fraction only, proper fraction, but problem here is difference is not common. So guys, see, the difference is not common. Then what you should do, sir? Difference is not common. Okay, here first three numbers okay. And here 11 by 15, difference is 4. Now what you should do, take LCM for differences. It's nothing but 4. Maintain all 4 common difference, my dear friends. So how can you do that? Multiply with 4, this is 8 by 12, common difference is 4. Multiply this 4, 20 divided by 24, common difference is 4. Here multiply with 4, 20 divided by 32, common difference is 4. This is anyhow okay. Now, when common difference is there, this is proper fraction. Now denominator minus numerator is same. Now you can apply our logic, which is having highest numerator is this. So 7 by 8 is correct. Largest numerator decides largest fraction. Guys, but see the small update here. Small update here is what? Yes, we don't have common difference now. We are maintaining that common difference. This is one logic. The other logic few people are arguing, sir, among 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 8. Okay, you apply directly. We know 7 by 8 is largest. Now we should decide 7 by 8 or 11 by 15, right? 11 by 15 is around 0.7, sir. Some people now converting this into fraction, a decimal, fraction into decimal. So among those three, you decided it is 7 by 8. Now 11 by 15 is around 0.7 something. 7 by 8 is around 0.8, sir. Definitely 7 by 8 is the largest. You decide like this also, sir. Yes. There are n number of methods, my dear friends. Depends on the question. You can apply different methods. This is also okay. Among these three, common difference is there. You decide 7 by 8 is largest. Now discussion is regarding 7 by 8 and 11 by 15. Okay, now this is how you should decide, my dear friends. Guys are understanding. Whether you apply method 1 or method 2, it's your choice, my dear friends. But this is how you should do. Yeah, good. Anjali, Aditya, and Sripurapu. Alekia, sorry, yeah. Yes, Alekia, good. Fine. Now see the next question. Now see this 11th one, my dear friends. 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Okay. Few people are trying to convert into decimal and deciding that this is 0.33. Among these two, 5 by 6 is largest. 2 by 7 is anyhow 0.2 something, sir, because 7 2s are 14. Still a 6 remainder will get 0.28 like that. Okay, here 0.33, here 0.28. 5 by 6 is the largest, we can say. One method is that, okay, among these two, 5 by 6 decided. Here this you can convert, and you can also say, yeah, 5 by 6 is 0.8 something, right? So this is largest, we can decide. Or else differences maintain common. 2 difference. Here 2 by 7, 5 difference. Here 1, here 1. We have to maintain common difference. We should take LCM for this difference as 2, 5, 1 and 1. I need 10. If you want 10 as the common difference, we should multiply this with 5. 5 divided by 15, 10 common difference. Here I should multiply with 2. I want 10 different common differences, multiply with 2. 4 divided by 14, 10 common difference. Here I have to multiply with 10, 30 and 40, 10 common difference, multiply with 10, 50 and 60, 10 common difference. All are 10 common difference, which is having highest numerator. Largest numerator will decide largest fraction. Right, okay. So this is how, see, this is applicable for big numbers as well. To understand the concept better, we're giving you in terms of small numbers, my dear friends. Once you are done with this, you can apply the same for biggest numbers as well. Okay, you can go ahead with this common difference maintaining same, or other trick also you can apply, converting that into decimal and doing. But your concern is always about big numbers. Small numbers you are doing good, but think about big numbers, my dear friends. See the next question. Yeah, 12th one. Smallest one they are asking. Here, 7 by 6 is improper fraction. It's greater than 1. These are proper fractions less than 1. Proper fraction is what? Which is less than 1. Numerator less than denominator. Improper fraction greater than 1 where numerator more than denominator. This is not the smallest, you can ignore. Now here we need two common difference. So what you can write, this as 8 by 10, 5 by 7, 7 by 9. Which is the last smallest numerator decides the smallest fraction, smallest numerator. 5 by 7, right? Smallest numerator decides smallest fraction. But before that, you always have an alert. Your numerator should be, that common difference should be maintained. Common difference is required. Then only you apply. Directly don't apply, sir. 4 by 5, don't say directly. Here difference is 1, difference 2, difference 2. Okay, difference 1, 2 and 2. Difference 1 means not applicable, my dear friends. Twelfth question. Fine, I not given time for you. Okay, agreed. No one responded for this question as time is not mentioned. Yeah, fine. Let's see the next question. Let us see how many of you can grab. Here I'm giving you the time. All are proper fractions. Numerator less than denominator or less than 1. The value is less than 1. All are proper fraction. Now work on this one, my dear friends. 9 divided by 13, 17 divided by 26, 28 divided by 29, 33 divided by 52, which is the smallest. 28 divided by 29 is largest actually. Now 9 divided by 13, 17 divided by 26, 33 divided by 52. See, till now I given some tricks. Now other trick here, denominator all are 13 multiples. I can maintain common denominator. If denominator is same, maintain same denominator. Depends on numerator, we can decide, right? Now here, this is 52. I can multiply this with 2. I can write this as 34 by 52. This you can multiply with 4 and divide with 4. This is multiplying with 2 and dividing by 2. This is 36 divided by 52. Now obviously smallest is this. So what about largest? This is largest actually. 28 divided by 29 is largest. There is very less gap between numerator and denominator. If you work on it also, we'll get this as the largest. Okay. Smallest is 33 by 52. See this, my dear friends. Now in this question, if you are thinking like converting it to decimal is not exact time. You don't have sufficient time to find, yes sir, we'll do. Converting into fractions is not easy now. That's what, when you go with more numbers, there are many tricks you can understand. Here new trick is maintaining or taking LCM of the denominator values. Denominator's LCM you can take 13, 26, 52. LCM is 52. Why you not involved with 29? So that's an odd one out. Okay, you can put that separately. That you can see very close. Numerator, denominator very close means that's the largest one. Okay, here not close enough. You can understand clearly. All these are around 0.5, 0.8 range. Okay, so this is not fair. Now see the next question, my dear friends. I'll wait for your answers. Smallest one. All are proper fraction. All are proper fractions. Decide the smallest. We have many methods given till now. Among these two, 11 by 13 you can close because 7 by 13 among these two, smallest is 7 by 13. 11 by 13 not smallest. This is not smallest as we have 7 by 13 already. Now you should work on these three numbers. 8 by 15, 14 by 33, 7 by 13. Sir, we'll do like divided, we'll divide numerator with denominator. 8 by 15 is around 0.5 something, sir. This is yes 0.5, 13, 6 times 5 times 65. Still 5 more is there, means it's actually 0.53. Likewise here 15, 5 times 75, still 5 is there. This is 0.53. This is also, these two are close enough actually. But whereas this contest, if you see 14 divided by 33 is a point, 33 half is 16.5. This is less than 0.5. Okay, this is the smallest, right? This is less than 0.5. Obviously, this is the smallest. Other method, sir. Yeah, we can go with other method as well. See, this is a different point discussion. Yeah, 14th one D. Excellent, Aditya, Alekhya, Akila, Manoj Kumar, Raghavendra, Deepak and Anjali. Good. Yes, D is correct, my dear friends. Smallest, less than 0.5. You can also convert it to decimals if you have the idea. 33 half of that is at least 32 means half is 16. 33 half is 16.4. This is obviously less than half. Okay, this is more than half. This is more than half. Okay, 11 by 13. Among 7 by 13, 11 by 13. 11 by 13 cannot be the smallest. Cannot be smallest. The other one, what we can do, sir? You can take LCM of the differences. That's a big deal to handle. Not easy. Now, related to powers, my dear friends. See, if it is A power B format, if you want to decide the smallest or largest, same base or same power is required. If you have same base or same power, then you can decide largest or smallest. Keep in mind, if you want to decide, okay, smallest or largest in A power B format, okay, you should have same base or same power. Now here, base no, power you can maintain 7 power 125, 2 power 375. How to maintain same power? So guys, if you attended for that yesterday's session, maybe you are not, many of you not attended for yesterday live session, actually YouTube session. So guys, if you attended, there I given you how to calculate HCF actually. HCF for 125 and 375 is 125 actually. Means I should maintain same power. Same base cannot be maintained. If you want to maintain same power, I have to take HCF, highest common factor 125. See what you can do here, 125 means 3 into 125 is 375. 2 cube is 8 power 125. Now see, I hope you can decide which is the smallest. 7 power 125 is smaller than 8 power 125. So option A is correct. You cannot, don't go with cannot be determined. A is correct, my dear friends. 15th one A, Alekia, good. So guys, here we are maintaining same power. 2 cube. Okay, if you put, okay, it's 8 power is same. Yeah, as base is smaller, this is the smallest one, this is the largest one. Got it? There are many and many and many tricks, my dear friends. Right. See the next question. Here also bases not same. Or else what you can do, I can mention this 4 power 36 as 2 square, right? 2 power 72. So this is not the greatest one. Now we have only 3 numbers on screen. 3 power 42, 2 power 72, 4 power 36 is taken as 2 power 72, 5 power 24. You should decide which is the greatest among this three numbers. Now what you can do, bases are not same, we should maintain powers as same. So I should take HCF for 24, 48 and 72. So guys, kindly go through the link whatever I shared you yesterday, okay, to find how to do HCF and all. We given elaborated way. HCF here is 24, my dear friends. HCF here is 24. Now what you can do, this is 2 cube whole power 24, 3 square whole power 24, this is 5 power 24. So this is 8 power 24, 9 power 24, 5 power 24, my dear friends. So 9 power 24 is greatest. This is the greatest. As powers are equal, base will decide. So answer is 3 power 48, my dear friends. See the beauty in the concept, my dear friends. See, we should maintain. Yeah, sixth one, Aditya. It's not option C, my dear friend. It's option B, Akila. Good. So guys, see, understand. We are maintaining a common power here, my dear friends. Right. Okay, how you are maintaining that common power is nothing but, yes, simple, by taking HCF. Base equal or power equal, we have to maintain. Now see the next question, 17th one. 2 power 250, 3 power 150, 5 power 100, 4 power 200. Find smallest one, my dear friends. Smallest they're asking. Again, I think you can understand 4 power 200 can be written as 2 power 400. So first one we can ignore, waste of time. But I can put it now on screen. Yes, 2 power 400, 3 power 150, 5 power 100, 4 power 200 can be written as 2 power 400, 2 square. Right, now you can decide which is smallest, which is largest. I'll wait for your answer, my dear friends. What you should do, you should do HCF for numerator values, sorry, power values, which is 50 only, 52 times, 53 times, 58 times. It's not 100, 150 is not 100 multiple, 50 only. So what you can do, this is 2 power 8 whole power 50, 3 power 3 whole power 50, 5 square whole power 50, my dear friends. This is 2 power 8 is 256. Here 27. Here 25. Yeah. Smallest one is nothing but 5 power 100. My dear friends, smallest one is nothing but 5 power 100, right? There are other ways of analyzing the same question. 17th one, B option, Alekia good. So right now around 87 students is there in the session. Okay. So guys, let's see about the next question. Now power. You have to decide. This is, okay, I'll put this question the other way. Square root of 2 or cube root of 3, which is greatest? Square root of 2 or cube root of 3, which is greatest, you have to decide. Square root of 2 means 2 power 1 by 2. Cube root of 3 means 3 power 1 by 3. Base is not equal, we should maintain powers equal. Base is not equal, we should maintain powers equal. How to maintain powers equal is, yes, we should take HCF for 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. See my dear friends, in yesterday's session, so kindly go through that LCM and HCF video. So guys, when you want to do HCF for fraction, we should apply HCF for numerator and LCM for denominators. For 2 and 3, LCM is 6, HCF is 1. We'll get 1 by 6, my dear friends. We'll get 1 by 6. Okay. Now, yeah, 1 by 6 we should maintain means I can write this as 2 cube whole power 1 by 6. This 2 power 1 by 2 can be written as 2 cube whole power 1 by 6 means 8 power 1 by 6. 3 power 1 by 3 can be written as 3 square whole power 1 by 6, which is 9 power 1 by 6. Now you can decide which is largest, greater is obviously 3 power 1, 3, cube root 3. Cube root 3, my dear friends, among square root 2 and cube root 3, which is largest is cube root 3. Cash. Excellent, Aditya. See the tricks, my dear friends. We have to maintain common power when base is not possible. Got it? Right. Now see the next question. Square root of 2, cube root of 3, fourth root of 1 by 4, which is largest, we have to decide, my dear friends. See this one, I'll wait for your answer. How many of you can decide this? Yeah, my dear friends. 19th one, option B, sir. Yes. Why? Because of C, we decided in the previous question, this fourth root 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 square whole power 1 by 4. This is also nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. These two are equal, and we decided already in the previous question, among these two, largest one is 3 power 1 by 2. This is 8 power 1 by 6. This is previous question only put in a different style. 9 power 1 by 6 is, this is the largest. These two are equal. These two are equal. Right. See the next question, my dear friends. Now, smallest one among this. You have 2 power 1 by 2, 3 power 1 by 3. Now, no 4 is there. 1 by 3, sorry. Yeah. 5 power 1 by 4. 6 power 1 by 6. We should maintain common power. So we should do HCF for that. HCF for the numerators 1, all are 1. So we'll get 1 only. Whereas LCM for 2, 3, 4 and 6. As 6 is there, 2 and 3 not required to find a LCM. 4 and 6 LCM is 24. So we'll get 1 divided by 24. This, if you want 24, yeah, I think 12 is also option. 4 and 6, 12. It's here, LCM will get 12. So if you want 12, I can write this as 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 12. Same thing, 2 power 1 by 2. Here if you want 12, 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 12. 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. 5 cube whole power 1 by 12. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. And 6 square whole power 1 by 2. This is 1 by 6. Now listen, my dear friends, if you just work on this, we'll get 2 power 6 means 64 to the power 1 by 12, 81 to the power 1 by 12, 125 to the power 1 by 12, 36 to the power 1 by 12. So clearly we can decide 36 to the power 1 by 12 is Smallest means 6 power 1 by 6 is smallest. Got it? Right. So for 20th question, option D, my dear friends, not B and all. Option D. So guys, hope you understand. Now let's work on this next question, my dear friends. Least one. Okay, we'll take a couple of minutes to close the session. Okay, we're almost at the end of this topic. Once this is completed, we'll end the session, my dear friends. Now decide the least among this. Decide the least value among this. Blindly compared to 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 3 is the least. So this is waste of time. 2 power 1 by 2 discussion is waste of time as 2 power 1 by 3 already there. This is smallest. Now among 2 power 1 by 3, 4 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3 is smallest. 4 power 1 by 3 is not smallest. Now we have only two things on screen. 3 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 3. If you do HCF for 1 by 2, 1 by 3, we'll get 1 by 6. Now this is 3 cube whole power 1 by 6. This is a 2 square whole power 1 by 6. Obviously, 2 power 1 by 3 is the smallest. Right, so this is 27 power 1 by 6. 4 power 1 by 6. Or else at least here with basic analysis also, smaller number, okay, cube root, bigger number square root. You can decide directly smallest here. With common sense, okay, without doing all this, it's always not required to do things in mathematical way. You can do with your mind as well. Smallest number, okay, cube root, largest number square root. Okay, this is bigger number, this is a smaller number obviously. Right, okay, if they're asking regarding largest number, it's a different thing, my dear friends. But here they're asking about the least value, least one. So hope you understand. D is the least value, my dear friends. Now you decide the biggest. So guys, you decide the biggest. Cube root first one. Next one is fourth root. Next one sixth root. Next one 12th root. You decide which is biggest among this. Decide biggest among this. What we have to do? We have to take HCF for numerator. Remaining all, just work on this. I hope you can do faster than me, waiting for your answers. If we do HCF, we'll get 1 divided by 12. Yes, this is 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 12. 6 power 3 whole power 1 by 12. 15 square whole power 1 by 12. And here already 245 whole power 1 by 12 is already there, don't disturb that. 4 power 4 is 256 for your information. 16 into 16, right? 16 square. 6 cube is 216. 15 square is 225. And here 245. So my dear friends, if you just go through all, the biggest one is first number, right? Now let me check how many of you responded with correct answers. 5H2, 5C3, 5H2, 523, 5C0, 593 and Anjali. And I requested already everyone to make sure check there as well, 5G3. Mention the question number along with your answers. Sultana, okay, good. See the next one, my dear friends. Now put them in descending order. By this time, you people are very much familiarized with this. Yeah, descending order, greatest to smallest. Okay, solve this one, my dear friends. Put this value, so I'll just try to modify the small mistake in the representation. You should put greater, right? Fine, this will take read that equation. I hope you can just put greater than symbol in between there. Yeah, you can use greater symbol in between. Now, my dear friends, yes, decide which is the correct order. When you take HCF, we got 1 by 12. This is 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 12. This is 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 12. 3 square whole power. This is smallest is 3 power 1 by 6, right? Smallest is 3 power 1 by 6. That's there only in option A. That's also easy, right? Smallest is that. Largest is this. Okay, 5 cube is 125. This is largest. So we need a 3 power 4 at the first, and last least one is nothing but 3 power 1 by 6. Means 6 root 3. Okay, you can decide this is 256 whole power 1 by 12. This is 64, 9. This is 125. So it will come 5 power 1 by 4 here, and yeah, square root of 2 here. Option A is correct, my dear friends. So you should put them in descending order. Sometimes they'll ask ascending order or descending order, so we should work on it. 23A, good. So have that habit, mention the question number before posting your answer. See the next one, my dear friends. Least one you should decide. Least one, this is a square root of 3. Sorry, 2 into square root of 3. This question you have small update for sure. See, 2 into square root of 3. 2 into square root of 3, that is. Next one, 2 into 4 root 5. Next is only root 8. This is 3 into root 2. Now, here what we should do, we should send that 2 also inside. Then it becomes 2 square into 3. This one send inside as it is 4th root, it become 2 power 4 into 5. Here root 8, fine. This one send inside as it is square root, we'll get 3 square into 2. We have to send that inside. Now this is 9 into 4 into 3, 12 power 1 by 2. 16 into 5, 80 power 1 by 4. This is 8 power 1 by 2. This is 9 into 2, 18 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is not the least. This is not the least. This is, yeah, least is this one. We can maintain power 1 by 4 also. This is 144 whole power 1 by 4, 80 power 1 by 4. If you do square, this is 64 power 1 by 4, 8 square. This is 18 square, 324 power 1 by 4. Greatest is this. Smallest is this. Smallest is option C, my dear friends, for the question number 24. 24. C option. Excellent. Next question, you have a definite update, not easy task. With this 25 questions today, we are closing the session. But here you have a very good update, my dear friends. 25. See, one number A. A is nothing but 3 power 333. B is 33 power 3 power 3 means 33 power 27. 3 power 3 is anyhow 27, no problem. C is 3 power 3 power 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 27. We can write this as 3 power 3 power 27. D as 333 power 3. Now we should put them in ascending order. This is such a good question, my dear friends. You have to put them in ascending order, right? Now listen. 333. 333. We should always think about 3 powers. 3 power 5 is 243. 3 power 6 is 729. Our value 333 is between these two. 333 is between 3 power 5 and 3 power 6. So this A may be more than 3 power 3 power 5. 333 is more than 243, less than 329, right? So maximum here, A will be 3 power 3 power 5 minimum, greater than this, and it is less than 3 power 3 power 6, right? 3 power 6 is 729, it's less than this and more than this. You see the C, A is less than C, damn sure I can say. You observe C, my dear friends, C is 3 power 27, 3 power 27. This is 3 power 6 only maximum. It's definitely, yeah, more than this also ignore. It's definitely less than 3 power 6. Right. This is definitely less than 3 power 6. Okay, so A less than C is decided. A is less than C. Option C is eliminated as A is greater than C. A less than, this is descending or ascending order, lesser values we should put. Next one, 33. 33 is more than 3 cube and less than 3 power 4. More than 3 cube and less than 3 power 4. Now listen, this might be 3 power 4. If you put it here, it's less than 3 power 4 whole power 27. Means less than 3 power 108. See, your B value is less than 3 power 108. A is 3 power 333. B is less than 3 power 108 means B is less than A is less than C, already decided. B is definitely less than A is less than C, already you know. Here I can decide in the first one, A less than C. Here, B is less than 3 power 108 means B is less than A. Okay. Now let's come here. 333 is less than 3 power 6 whole power 3 means D is less than 3 power 18. D is less than 3 power 18. Okay, see here, this is 3 power 108 likewise. This is 3 power 18. So definitely D is less than B. So this is what, my dear friends, option D. Very typical question this is. You should decide, yeah, 25D. But my dear friends, not easy task. We don't have same power, same base, not maintained. Power not same, base not same. Previous questions, at least we have a idea. We are maintaining power same or base is same, easy. But now here, powers are not same, base is not same, but still we are analyzing in a better way. And don't decide this format, this only larger. No, same question, my dear friends. If you work here, the answer is different. Second highest they're asking. Now 6 power 6 power 6, 66 power 6, 6 power 66, 6 power 6 whole power 6. This is nothing but 6 power 36. This is 6 power 66. Yeah, this is, see, 6 square is 36. 6 cube is 216. This is less than 6 cube. B is less than 6 cube whole power 6, means 6 power 18. Less than 6 power 18 for sure. Okay, so I can decide D is less than C. D is less than D because this is 6 power 18, less than 6 power 18. This is 6 power 36. Whereas here A is 6 power 6, which is 6 cube into 6 cube. 216 into 216, such a big number. So yes, definitely C is less than A. They're asking second highest, my dear friends. What is the second highest now? Second highest. Thus, you can decide now. 26th question. 25 already done. Now this is 26. Option C, right. Okay. See this second highest, not the highest. Second highest is C. Fine. Next one is related to search. So yeah, fine. We can discuss 10 more minutes is there. See the next one, my dear friends. 27. Which is smallest among this? Decide smallest and largest. One common thing if you observe here, 8 plus 5 13, 7 plus 6 13, 10 plus 3 13, 11 plus 2 13. When these summations are same, answer is decided by the product of those two numbers. If summation is same, answer is decided by product of those two numbers. So this is smallest. This is largest. Simple. When answer is internally 8 plus 5, 7 plus 6, when all these are same, internally that addition is same, then the product of those two numbers will decide the answer. As internal summation all are equal, the product of this internal numbers 11 into 2 is 22. That's the smallest one. Sir, no, I want analysis for this. So product fine, but how you are doing analysis? Let us see the analysis, my dear friends. I need some extra slide here. One moment, I'll just add one extra slide to do the analysis, my dear friends. Fine. Now see the analysis. What you have to do here? Analysis is just do